In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Edge in Windows 10 64-bit and fix issues if Microsoft Edge is out of date and can't update. Keeping your browser up to date is important for security and performance, so let's make sure your Microsoft Edge is running the latest version. To begin, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. This is the first step to getting the browser ready for any updates. Once Edge is open, look towards the top right corner of the window where you'll notice three dots in a vertical line. This is the Settings and More menu. Click this to open a drop-down menu, then select Settings from this list. You're now in the main settings area where we can begin our updating process. In the settings, you'll see a list of options on the left panel. Look for and click on About Microsoft Edge. This section provides details about which version of Edge you're currently using. It's also where the magic of automatic updates happens. If there's a newer version available, Edge will automatically start downloading and installing it for you. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed, but don't worry, it's worth the wait to ensure optimal performance and security. In some cases, finishing the update may require a browser restart. You'll be prompted if this is necessary, so don't worry about missing it. However, if the About page tells you Microsoft Edge is up to date, then you're already on the latest version and there's nothing more you need to do at this point. If you encounter any problems during this update process, there are troubleshooting steps you can take. A simple yet effective first step is to restart Microsoft Edge. This can sometimes resolve minor update issues by applying already downloaded updates. Another crucial step is checking for any available updates for Windows 10 itself. This is because at times the updates for Edge are dependent on the operating system version. To do this, head over to your Windows settings by clicking on the Start menu, then go to Update and Security, followed by Windows Update. Click Check for Updates, and if there are any, install them. Keeping Windows updated ensures that Edge can update without a hitch. In the rare event that you're still facing issues, reinstalling Microsoft Edge might be necessary. You can easily get the latest version by downloading the installer from the official Microsoft Edge website. Simply uninstall the current version on your system and then run the new installer you've downloaded. That wraps up today's guide on updating Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. By following these steps, you can ensure that your browser is up to date, secure, and performing at its best. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.